Welcome to my channel Bayu Shastri Nodikali Kelitili. This is myself Saudhaminisha Shastri yet with another informative video for you guys. So today's topic is tips to study in study holidays effectively for midterm examination 2022. Many of the students have messaged me and asked me in Instagram and in YouTube saying that ma'am, we have a holiday for studying purpose but still we cannot focus for the exam and hence it's a festival time we can't focus. So here are some few tips for you to tackle these kind of situations if you're having one. Yes, let's get started without any delay. So the first tip is create your study plan. So this is very much important. Create your study plan and with a reasonable goal with it. And you have to stick with the study plan. Not just making one, you have to stick with it. Then you have to study in small chunks. That means at a stitch you cannot finish the entire chapter. You have to break the chapter into small topics to some small points, and therefore you have to give some gap and you have to study in a small chunk. And then the third tip is catch up on your notes. Don't stress too much. I know it's a holiday time, it's a festival time, you have to enjoy, relatives might have come, your sisters will be playing, your brothers will be playing, they'll be watching some TV shows or some entertainment things, sports things. So you have to stay focused. First thing, stick to your study plan, study in your small chunks, and third, you have to stick to your notes. Don't experiment at this moment. Then fourth important tip is you have to revise what already you have studied. You have to keep on revising. Don't get overconfident that I know everything. So that is a situation where you will tend to lose a marks. Okay, so you have to revise the concept what you already have studied, and then the final and the bonus tip what I have to give you is prioritize your studying on other events. So this festival will come every year, but what the exam you're having next year, you won't get the same exam. You will be called as a repetators, isn't it? So you have to prioritize your studying apart from the events or festival or any other thing. So it is your important thing. And last, you have to relax. You have to keep your mind calm so that whatever you have studied, it will absorb in your mind. So by saying this, I'd like to conclude this video. I hope this video was useful for you. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. And those who have not yet subscribed to my channel Bayu Shastri, please do subscribe guys. It's very useful for you and you don't miss any videos if I upload in the further time. Thank you for watching till the end.